So what this is a chef's knife that is a very premium looking chef's knife. Looks like you get a little warranty card. And check out the case that they sent with this thing. So in the case, you have a cover. Let me just kind of like push this aside and go over. I've already used this and put it to the test, and I like it a lot. So it's a very hard blade. It seems to have these kind of like hammered type looks to it. Rosewood octagon handle, which I think serves its purpose. That feels pretty good in the hand. Number one, this thing looks really good. It's got a nice weight to it. Overall, you're looking at 13 inches from end to end, and it's an 8-inch blade right here. What I have here, I've got a few little items that I'm gonna cut right here real quick. And I'm just gonna show you guys putting it to the test. I've got some chicken. First, I'm gonna cut my orange. So cutting my orange, check that out. Is that not awesome? Watch how you can just like, one slice on those. There's some orange slices right there. We all like some orange slices. That thing is, let's see how thin we can make an orange slice. Look at that, everybody. Is that not a thin orange slice? I'm not claiming I'm any type of chef over here, but this is like something that I think would be great for anyone that just wants to have a good knife for the kitchen. Wow, this thing, look, I'm putting almost no pressure on it. Just barely adding pressure, and look at how nice this thing's slicing up that carrot. So we got a carrot there, and then check that out. That works perfect. If you want to do some small little slices on a potato here, look at that. Look how nice and thin you can make those right there. Now let's try some meat. So we'll get some meat out right here. Here's some chicken. Let's watch this on some chicken. Look at that. And chicken's not the easiest to cut. If I want to do some chicken slices, this is like easy, super simple right there. So if I just wanted to slice up that meat, look how clean that cut is. That is very impressive on that cut. I'll let you guys take another look at the blade here. You've got some writing up here. Says YOTSUBA. Maybe is what that is. I think that says 67 layers Damascus steel. You know what? I'm not an expert on steel, but you know, I've seen Damascus steel. It kind of looks like it, but it looks kind of like hammered type items right there. Now, this is supposedly going to keep the meat and food off of it. You know what? I don't have any meat or food stuck to it, so I don't see any issues with it. Let's try that again. Yeah, maybe those dimples do work on there. Maybe they do help out to keep the food off of it. Let's see how it just slides off. So maybe they do something. So I think this would be a great addition to any kitchen out there that just needs a really good quality chef's knife. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the premium kitchen knife. See you on the next video.